So this is day 12. Thursday I come make it day 14, that makes 2 weeks. This is day 12. You can see I have more feathers. Way taller. Very curious. Not so wild. Ouch, don't pick me now. Don't pick me. Don't pick me. Sorry, I didn't clean my lens before. I don't want to forget that. I'm gonna do it now. Check. Mind you pick my phone now? Okay, I have to go buy my back on phone. Okay. So now, I'm gonna put some sawdust in them pen. Right now, put some sawdust in them pen. And as you can see, the water pan empty. Yep. I went on the road yesterday, by the way. So yeah. Come back home, come back down here in the night, just do the necessary. So I'm going to give them more feeding. As you can see, I'm going to eat more and more. Oh, I never showed the type of feed when I give them, no? Hold on. So I give them broilers. That is iPro. Broilers feeding. iPro? Yep. That's what I give them. And you know, because they are small, so when they reach 4 weeks now, you introduce them to the to the pellet. Yes, that are the big grain feeding. But for now, they are going to be getting the crumble, yeah, which is the fine grain. So this is what I'm going to give them right up until 3.5 weeks, 4 weeks. So 3.5, I introduce them to the pellet, so them get used to it, because trust me, if the pan are high enough when I give them the pellet, them scratch and pick and box to them out and box it out of ground until them get accustomed to it. So yeah, the reason why I give them iPro is because of iPro chicken, and most of the dealers in my district or near my district is mostly iPro feeding them still. If I want Nutramix, I would have to go way out to get them. So iPro is easy accessible. Not only that, I can just call the main dealer that is in Temple Hall, and them deliver right at my door. I pay my money. I'm good to go. I don't have to struggle and hustle, figure do this, do that. And delivery is free. Yeah. Why not? So I can just put in my order, I get my chicken, pay up on delivery, I get my feeding, pay up on delivery and whatnot. So yeah, good deal. Why not?
When I'm ordering the chickens, it a chuck a $500 fee for delivery. Yeah, just that. So every now and again, I have to remove the cobweb from out of the pen and even outside the nursery as well.
You know why Anansi not give me a break? Anansi must see pick a prediction or something of the sort. Say, in my future husband making a stop taunt me. The Anansi is the weapon that form against me. Oh, she may soon go up. Alright, I'm sneezing a lot. I had to pause the video because trust me, now I want to hear me sneeze. Because it's going to be like a tsunami taking place. So yeah, or an earthquake, the roar. So I'm have to go resume dusting later. Just me kind of feel like I'm under the weather. Anyway, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to wash out the pan them. Wash out the water pan. First, I put sawdust in the pan as usual. Put sawdust in the pan. Wash out the water pan. Fill them up with water because I'm really thirsty. So let me get that done now. But I want to put it somewhere, so okay. I'm gonna wake up them now. Everybody needs to drink water. Yeah. I'm gonna get up and come drink water. Guys, the progress so far with the water pan. So you connect outside right there, run, come all the way in here. Don't watch that. I did just the bag them right there, so them they need to change. We did have something there, but we had to move it to connect the pipe. So it will finish. Now get a next pipe, like we got a bore right here. So I don't know what my friend call it, but something will go right here, so and it will go stretch over that direction. Yeah. So it can my next water pan can go there, so yep. But for now, it ain't at the pen. See it down there, so I'm gonna go empty it. Yeah, I'm gonna empty it into a bucket, and after I finish do that, or before that, I put sawdust in the pen. Then I empty it. Then I give them feeding. Then I tap up the water outside. Yeah.